How's it, friends? Welcome to PropertyAskEkow, and I'm your host, Eko Kwegrin. And as you may know, I'm a former banker and now a serial real estate investor. And I'm on a mission to help 5,000 purpose-driven entrepreneurs go full-time, doing what they love through the power of real estate. Investing in real estate is not easy. Otherwise, everybody would have been doing it. Overpaying and miscalculating cash flow are the biggest reasons investors don't make money in real estate. If you buy properties to rent them out, you need sufficient cash flow to cover the running cost. So, making mistakes in the analysis is deadly to your financial freedom journey. At our PropertyAskEkow Academy, we delve deeper into this aspect by teaching you exactly how to navigate around such a problem. Most wannabe real estate investors underestimate their expenses. My best advice to you is to make a list of all the monthly costs associated with running and maintaining a property and add in the monthly rent to calculate your ROI before actually making a bid. If you don't know how to calculate ROI, watch my video on how to calculate ROI. Most wannabe investors fail to collect rental income on time. If you want to have financial freedom, you must use the same energy and excitement you used to borrow the money from the bank to collect your rental income.